You don't have to be an HVAC specialist to be using this air pump, but if you are, I mean, kudos to you. I would be using this especially on a refrigeration system in maybe your fridge, or I know because I've used it before with the AC system in vehicles and it works perfectly. You just have to plug into your adapters, you've got your proper lines, and this will actually move 3.5 cubic feet per minute of air. And the thing is that you need to be able to take all that air out, completely take it out to be able to determine if you have leaks in your system, but also to just flush the whole system around and then put back some coolant, some refrigeration in there, some Freon, right? So from VEVOR, they actually have a beautiful package here. I love that it actually has a handle. Not all pumps have handles. I've been awkwardly carrying pumps for a long time just by the base. This one has a really nice carrying handle, and they do also provide the oil that you need to run it. So awesome, VEVOR.